Hey folks, thanks for joining me once again. Thank you so much. I'm Paul and I am your direct mail specialist, and we have a special video for you. Stay to the end. I promise you folks, if you stay to the end, this video will change your life financially. It has changed mine. It has changed others, and we're just spreading the news. It's August of 2023. As you know, people are crying recession. Inflation is rising. President-elect Joseph Biden is still in office, and America is upside down. But guess what? It's mindset, folks. There's no recession here. Why? Because we're following the lead of Mr. Ricky Reed, the legend, folks, in direct mail. It's simple. We keep it simple. We don't overcomplicate things. If you can take an envelope and put these flyers in it and mail them out, you can win, and you can win big.
Them on YouTube. So here we go with the first package. I kind of like doing this. But I'm not going to do this too much more. Oh man, I need a... Okay, this is glue. This is the $1,000 flyer, people. Blue. Here we go. Kind of neat person, so I kind of like to move my stuff out the way. Matter of fact, let's see who this comes from. James Houston. Welcome, James. You'll be getting your material. Now look, James had to pay $1,000 because he responded to the flyer. You're not even going to have to do that tonight. Okay? So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's $1,000 I just got from James Houston. He's not on this live stream right now where he could take advantage of an opportunity of a lifetime before the lifetime of this opportunity expires, because it's only going to be for a while. It's not going to be forever, because I'm taking a big discount because, look, this alone, I've been selling for $150. And people are getting results. All right? So, this is this. Here we go. No name on here. You can see. What is this? Oh, this is the Money Talk, because they only come. The Money Talk 200. Remember the flyer that I was telling you about? This is the Money Talk 200. Howard Brown. Welcome, Howard. See what Howard Brown did? This is simple. Look, Howard Brown. So that's a what? This is a $1,200 day so far. Guess what? I had 2 more envelopes to open up. 2 more. That's what I'm talking about. Look, people, you can do the same thing. Stop trying to make this so hard. Uh-oh. Okay. Stop trying to make this so hard. You don't have to. It's a simple flyer and a letter that you put in an envelope. Put in an envelope, okay? And here's another one. This is the Money Talk 200. Okay? Andrea. Thank you, Andrea.
Welcome, Andrea.
Look, people.
Welcome.
Look. Thanksgiving, Christmas is coming up. From direct mail is really big and hot from August through January. They need money for Christmas. They need money for Thanksgiving. They need money because they want to buy things. They want their house to look good. They got people coming from out of town. And, you know, people, life is changing. This is just another source for that to happen. See, you've been praying and asking God for things, but you can't determine for God how he's going to rescue you. The $1,000 flyer. So what do you think this is? How much do you think this is? Sean Green, welcome. People, this works. This works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I had this is 1, 2, $2,400 a day, people. What is it going to take to change your lifestyle and to get you to see that you have to have enough confidence and God having confidence in you because he want to show off through you? There were people that owed you money that hid from you. He understand the times you cry. He understand that the times that you was hurt. But you have to be able to recognize and respond to a divine opportunity for increase in your life.
Folks, yes, Mr. Ricky Reed, let me tell you a little bit about his background because I need to finish this video because Mr. Reed's calling me in a little bit. He might even call me while I have my phone right here while I'm making this video. If you want to see income proof, folks, actually, he only opened up 4 packages, but I'm going to tell you the God's honest truth. He had 4 more to open up. And folks, if he opened up the 4 more, you probably think this was some kind of scam because can you actually make this much money in direct mail marketing? Well, I have a news flash for you, folks. The direct mail marketing industry is a multi-billion-dollar business. I'm going to say that again. The direct mail marketing industry is a multi-billion-dollar business. And it's actually trending again. The wave in 2023. Folks, did you hear what Mr. Reed said? From August on. This is August, I believe August 19th, 2023. You have to jump on with those folks. If you could take a flyer and put it in an envelope, and we have flyers that are high ticket, folks. Our time is precious. That's the biggest commodity that God gives us, is our time. And you really don't see how time goes by so quickly. The Bible says in James, like a vapor. But you see it when you start coming to the end of your life. Mr. Reed and myself now, we're older and we're seeing that time does go by fast. And it's the same for you. It's the same for all of us. And what better opportunity, what better home-based business? Folks, this is the easiest home-based business. Are you struggling online? Are you struggling with all the online MLM businesses? With all the potions and lotions and all these products and do it clickbank affiliate marketing? Listen, there is a lot of money in affiliate marketing. I don't deny that. But folks, if you want to ramp up fast, within the next week to 2 weeks, when you get your starter kit, we'll send you your starter kit. You can pick from various, I'll leave the description in the description below, where you could start off in a $450 program all the way on up to $1,500 right now. We have higher tickets, $2,000, $2,500. You can come in. But I always say get in where you can fit in. If you don't have that much money right now and you can't come in at our $450, we have a $200 program for you. And if you can't afford that, folks, I want you to give me a call. I'm Mr. Reed's partner. You can partner up with us today. You can call me at 862-658-2086. Again, that number is 862-658-2086. If you join our dream team, you'll have unlimited support. You can call me up to 12 p.m. That's Eastern time. I'm over here in New Jersey, right outside the Big Apple, New York City. And we want you to join our team. We'll mail you out your starter kit with the flyer of your choice. And folks, crazy cash cow programs. All the flyers that Mr. Reed puts together and designs. He has a great talent for graphic design in these flyers, and they're highly converting. And if you're in direct mail right now and you're working with the $50, $150, $250, and you want to step it up, folks, perhaps your program is working, but we have a 2% rate. If you know anything about direct mail, 2% is phenomenal. For every 100 flyers that we mail out, 2 and 3 are converting. Every 100 that you mail out, you have the opportunity of making 2 to 3, $1,500, $2,000 sales. Folks, that is unheard of. But we're doing it. And he has 4 more to open up. Folks, I've seen this man make up to $10,000 in one day. $10,000 in one day. And I like how Mr. Reed taught me, and I want to teach you the acronym MUSH. MUSH. What does MUSH mean? Mail until something happens. Folks, 862-658-2086. Go in the description and please like this video. If you're getting a lot of value out of it, we have free training for you. Like this video. Leave a comment if you like. We answer all comments. And please subscribe. We're trying to help the poor and struggling. God bless you. Shalom. Bye-bye.